guys, welcome back. I have more art for you. I have an elephant with patterns on it, and I have a tree. I call this pieces nature at its best. A beautiful elephant and a wonderful tree. I hope you like it, and I love you all, and like, comment, subscribe. You guys are the best. I hope you continue to liking my videos, and I hope you will all have a good night and sweet, very sweet dreams, and I wish you all the best.